Hey guys, welcome back to another daily vlog in Vlogtober. Today is October the 3rd. Today's October the 3rd, this Sunday. This vlog is going to be a clean with me, reset for the week type of thing. I do have my bonnet on, but I'm in the house. I have the skim set on to make myself feel a little bit better. But it's going to be a clean with me, get ready for the week with me. So to start, I need to start on my laundry. I'm not going to show you starting on my laundry because I don't know if you want to see that. But after that, we're going to go up to my office. I need to clean my office, bedroom, maybe hubby can clean the bathroom. And yeah, so without further ado, let's go ahead and get into today. But first, coffee. It's not just my cleaning day, it's everyone's cleaning day. So Kenzie has started on the playroom and she has cleaned her room. You cleaned your room up?
I was helping Jaden, so after I cleaned up my room, I helped Jaden.
Did you put your shoes and stuff in your closet neatly and hang your clothes up and bring all your clothes downstairs and up under your bed and all your toys and stuff is up?
I didn't put on my shoes, so let me go do it.
Okay, so that's that, and they have their playroom to clean. And babe, you're gonna be down here. You're gonna start down here. It's really just the floors. Okay. Okay. What time does the game start? So I'm in my office now, and let me tell you, this way is my window so you can see me better. Let me tell you, this office is fucking trash. Excuse me. This office is trashed. I'm gonna open my door all the way. So here is my very messy vanity. My husband has a makeshift desk. We haven't got him a desk yet. My desk is a mess. It's just a mess. So we're gonna clean this up really quick. And Kenzie, y'all are finished the playroom?
Yeah.
Mackenzie and Jaden?
We get to help you. Please.
No, you don't get to help me. You help yourself. Now, the next thing I would like you guys to do.
Yes. I'm going to sit down because I want to.
Okay. Is take them shoes upstairs. So I want you to leave your school shoes. Your school shoes downstairs.
My shoes are already upstairs.
All your shoes need to be upstairs.
Okay.
Except your Crocs. You can leave your Crocs downstairs. You can leave your Crocs downstairs. And your school shoes that you wore from your mom's house. Okay?
Okay.
All the other shoes need to come upstairs.
No, I just used like 3.
Yes. And Justin's white shoes can stay downstairs. Everybody else's shoes need to come up.
That's what my favorite. I gotta go to daycare.
Well, today is Sunday, so you don't have school today. So tomorrow is Monday. You'll go Monday.
Okay.
Okay. Thank you.
Goodbye.
You done? What's that doing?
And what you guys doing anyway?
They're cleaning just like you.
Ow! Done. I think. Yeah, that's good. Why does it when I do this, it sounds like someone's getting slapped?
I have no idea, Julia.
What's your dream? I love holding you when we're sleeping. Keep it coming, kissing and hugging. I love it. Waking up to you feels so good. Waking up to you. Tell me your dream. Tell me your dream. Feels so good.
Clean. Wipe down everything. Which you didn't see me. I had to go downstairs and get wipes, so I can wipe down everything, but everything is clean. Floor is clean. I'm gonna have a great week. I feel it. I'm about to head back downstairs so I can continue the laundry and start working down there. It is, I don't even know what my phone is. Alexa, what time is it?
The time is 11:17 a.m.
Okay, it's 11 o'clock. Yeah, I can do that in about an hour. Come back, edit this vlog that needs to go up. Do all that stuff. Vlogs go up at 4. We'll be good. Alright, so let's head downstairs. Hey guys, so I'm at my computer eating leftover I'm at my computer now eating leftover Chinese food for my lunch. I am drinking a glass of wine because why not? It's Sunday. The little ones are down for a nap. Yes, they do take naps, especially when they've had a fun-filled, crazy weekend. T took Justin to get his hair cut, so I have time to edit and get this stuff up. So I don't know how much of a clean with me this was. I did clean my office. I am doing laundry, but I need to do my floors downstairs, and I ran out of floor stuff, so I have to wait for my husband to get some stuff. And he cleaned our room in the bathroom, so I didn't really have to do much, but just make sure the kids' rooms were clean. The kitchen was already clean, and I have to just do the floors and the laundry. So I just wanted to come up on here and update you guys. I might as well just take you for the rest of the day. I'm going to cook dinner later. I don't know if we're going to my dad's house. So yeah, that's it. That's all I got for you. It's much later in the afternoon. It is 2:29. Not much later, but later in the afternoon. I have edited a vlog that has gone up. The kids did their homework that they were supposed to do, got their clothes out, did another load of laundry and stuff like that. So we're about to head out to go to my dad's house and visit my dad. My dad wants my husband to watch games with him because my dad and my husband are cool like that. So, and I'm just gonna go over there and chill with my girl, and the kids are gonna play. So I'm looking bummy because it's just my dad. I'm gonna look bummy 98% of the time, but when I give you that, if you know, you know. Anyway, so yeah, I just wanted to come on here and update you guys. I did have a couple of glasses of wine while I was editing, so I won't be driving, but just wanted to come on here and update you. So let's go. Good morning, beautiful people. I just wanted to come on here. It's the next morning. Obviously it's the next morning, and I realized I didn't close out the vlog yesterday. When we went over to my dad's house, we didn't end up leaving until about 9, actually like 8 something, so we got home around 9, put the kids to bed, and they had school this morning. So I just wanted to come on here and close out the vlog. Thanks again for watching. We'll see you tomorrow. Bye.